Hello everyone, and welcome back to Everything Tesla stock. The stock market has been rather unstable recently, and for stocks like Tesla, it is sure to cause multiple comments and predictions from both the bulls and bears. Luckily for Tesla stock, some predictions show that the stock is very likely to survive the hard times and could be gearing towards the upward trend. Such comments like ARK Invest's recent predictions on Tesla's price show a possible future surge for the price of the stock. A lot has been happening with Tesla stock lately, and amidst the volatility of the market, American-based investment company ARK Invest has revealed the possibility of Tesla increasing tremendously in price in the near future. What could the future price of Tesla be according to ARK Invest? And why do they think this? Well, you're going to see why in this video. Before we get going though, if you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything happening with Tesla. ARK Investment is a firm that manages billions of dollars in ELFs and other managed funds, and looks for growth stock opportunities, with a large amount of trust in the investment community due to its past successes. It's no new news that Tesla is one of ARK Invest's most valued stocks, and going by the previous episodes of Tesla's price predictions by the investment company, it's pretty obvious that it's got high expectations for the stock. In a recent forecast by ARK Invest, the company predicts that Tesla stock could be worth a whopping $4,600 by 2026. This is after it had predicted a $3,000 stock price by 2025. ARK's prediction is coming after several analysis on the stock's current performance and future expectations, while taking into consideration factors that are critical to the growth of the stock. Tesla is a lucrative growth stock. Although it does have its challenges, it shows great potential as a profitable investment through future price hikes. Little wonder it ranks top across all of ARK's exchange transfer funds, with over $1.43 billion invested in the stock. According to ARK, Cathie, who is the CEO of ARK Invest, has been a Tesla bull for years. If Tesla stock can reach $4,600 in price in a year or so, it could potentially earn investors about 44% a year on average over the next 4 years. In fact, Tesla's market valuation could rise to about $5.5 trillion. Going by her history of predicting price targets, this new forecast from Wood may deserve some attention. The reason for this high price target by ARK Invest is not too far-fetched. The investment company based its estimates on Tesla's ability to successfully develop its autonomous robo-taxis. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, has in previous news announced the development and deployment of self-driving Uber-like electric vehicles, which are designed to be public means of transportation to destinations at a relatively cheap price, even cheaper than a bus ticket. ARK believes that if Tesla successfully completes the robo-taxi project, it could rake in enough revenue to boost its price. By estimates, the robo-taxi network can potentially generate $486 billion in annual revenue for Tesla in 2026. ARK expects that this will be fostered by increased demand for autonomous vehicles at higher price points that have already been originally modeled. Although the robo-taxi tech isn't fully ready, despite Musk's announcement that it's going to be ready by the end of 2022, there are still many factors unknown about the progress of the robo-taxi business and the FSD technology in general. However, this much is known, that the robo-taxi business can be a potential key driver to the growth of Tesla stock, and it's a great way to contribute to ARK's expectations of electric vehicles constituting about 57% of Tesla's revenue in 2026. There seems to be a lot of optimism from the investment company, and hopefully these predictions may turn out to be the real thing. But it won't be wrong to think in the other direction too, since, just like several other previously mind-blowing projects from Tesla, this one might not make it out of the works. It is fair to say that there is still room for doubt, and without proper execution, this could turn out to be another unachievable Tesla price prediction. ARK has previously predicted Tesla's price reaching $5,800 in 2026, but this seems to be somewhat beyond the reach. However, there are still some positives here, and a number of recent happenings quite support the possibility of Tesla earning big from robo-taxi business. The increased number of iron LFP batteries coming from China and the success of the 4680 battery could potentially increase car sales by about 80 million per year in 2025 and 26. Having enough batteries available means that Tesla will be able to increase car production and increase sales. Similarly, the increased rate of inflation could also cause individuals to seek cheaper technological options in major aspects of their daily activities, including transportation. Also, the rising average cost per car could just be the icing on the cake. Tesla's Model Y is currently priced between $60,000 and $70,000. But with increased demand for Tesla's EVs, the average selling price could go to $70,000, and it may eventually remain that way. So, judging by these factors, we can say that there is still a lot possible with Tesla's robo-taxi. And since 2026 is still quite a ways away, there is room for many positive developments. Tesla is known for its high-ranking technological advancements, so the EV company has enough time to improve its FSD system and work on its setbacks. Elon Musk's recent announcement that Tesla would build a dedicated robo-taxi vehicle may be another reason why ARK is also increasing its target price for Tesla. Musk made the announcement at Tesla's Cyber Rodeo, which was held to open the new Austin, Texas manufacturing facility. Although Tesla's stock price has dropped after Musk's comment, ARK's Cathie seems to have taken note of the comment. Tesla is on the move for greater achievements. This has constantly been reflected in the numerous bullish predictions on Tesla's sales and its stock price. Wall Street models $133 billion in 2024 sales, which is an average annual sales growth rate of about 25% a year on average. Likewise, according to some analysis surveyed by FactSet, an American financial data and software company, Tesla's expected to generate about $84 billion in 2022 sales. Obviously, this is a lot for Tesla, and if combined with the expected returns from Robotaxi, Tesla's finance might experience a huge boost, which could boost it up to that $4,600 price predicted by ARK Invest. Looking at the many bullish predictions on Tesla, there are still many reasons to believe that Tesla is set for something huge, and the robotaxi business might just be ready to take the world of electric vehicles to a whole new level. According to ARK, the commercial launches of Waymo and Cruise have bolstered its current view of Tesla stock, just as Tesla's fundamental advance in artificial intelligence. ARK suggests that Tesla will commercialize autonomous ride-hail in 2024, and even estimates the total addressable market for autonomous ride-hailing to be roughly $12 billion. But just like ARK Invest is positive about the possibility of the robotaxi, some analysts do not include Tesla's FSD capability and potential robotaxi business in their estimates. Many doubt that Tesla can realistically launch fully autonomous driving vehicles, let alone a network of self-driving taxis that are going to be able to navigate different towns, cities, and countries. However, even though there is doubt about Tesla's autonomous robo-taxis, ARK still estimates that in the worst cases, the robo-taxi network can still generate about $51 billion in annual revenue. Not bad, considering that it meets up with Tesla's $54 billion revenue on the sale of the electric vehicles in 2021. Aside from Tesla's robo-taxi, there are several other interesting projects that are not included in ARK's estimates, which can potentially cause the stock price to increase. Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, is another big project to look forward to. It's described by Musk as having the potential to be more significant than the vehicle business over time. According to him, thanks to the robot, physical work may be a choice in the future. This robot will be able to perform regular tasks like grocery shopping, and likewise, Tesla's Cybertruck was unveiled in 2019, and it will be soon set for production in 2023. Seeing that it is almost on the same timeline as the robotaxi project, which ARK Invest expects will raise Tesla's stock price to $4,600, this could also greatly increase the chances. ARK's updated model also increased Tesla's capital efficiency. It assumes that Tesla will spend around $2,000 to $7,000 per incremental unit of capacity in 2026, meaning that the EV company can efficiently increase its profit margins without being limited by capital. The model also accommodates supply constraints, which are almost inevitable in the automobile industry. ARK Invest has always been solid on Tesla. It is not surprising that it's predicted these high estimates on the stock price. ARK expects that even in the bear case scenario, Tesla will be about $2,900 by 2026. The investment firm is increasingly optimistic about Tesla, and has recently included Tesla's prospective robotaxi business in its latest future valuation. ARK Invest believes that Tesla stock will trade like a mature company, rather than a high-growth one in 2026. And just like the numerous Tesla investors, we hope it does too. What do you think? Will it eventually reach $4,600? Let us know down below, and while it's still here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there!